Another day gone. Another day closer to financial stress or financial freedom. The choice? Yours. But let me ask you, if your boss fired you tomorrow, how long could you survive without a paycheck? A week? A month? Or would you be on the street before your rent is due? Okay, that was dark. But let's be real. 2025 isn't the time to rely on one income stream. The world's changing, and so should you. Because while some people are stressing over bills, others are making money in their sleep. And today I'll show you exactly how to do that with the best side hustles of 2025, side hustles that can make you $100 a day or more, even while watching Netflix. Listen, the traditional 9-to-5 job isn't enough anymore. Inflation, rising, wages, stagnant, job security, about as stable as my Wi-Fi during a storm. And let's not even talk about student loans. In fact, 70% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, and I don't want that for you. So if you've ever felt stuck, frustrated, or just plain tired of living paycheck to paycheck, stay with me, because in next couple of minutes, I'm going to break down the best, most profitable, and realistic side hustles you can start right now, with step-by-step guidance. And the best part? Some of these require zero upfront investment. But before we dive in, a warning. If you're looking for get-rich-quick schemes, this isn't for you. But if you want a real, sustainable way to build wealth and escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, then let's get started. All right, let's talk money. I've analyzed market trends, emerging industries, and real success stories to bring you the absolute best side hustles of 25. Let's start with an underrated gold mine. AI isn't taking jobs, it's creating new opportunities, and those who adapt will win. Right now, businesses are desperate for AI-generated content, blog posts, newsletters, product descriptions, but they still need humans to edit and refine them. That's where you come in. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are flooded with requests for AI-assisted content writing. And the best part? You don't need to be a writer. You just need to know how to use AI tools like ChatGPT effectively. $50 to $100 per article just for tweaking AI-generated text? Easy money. But if writing isn't your thing, don't worry, because this next side hustle could make you money while you sleep. Imagine making money without ever touching inventory. That's the power of digital product flipping. Here's how it works. You buy PLR, private label rights products, tweak them and resell them. Ebooks, templates, social media graphics, it's pure profit because there's no manufacturing cost. Let me put it this way. You buy a finance guide for $10, add your branding, and sell it for $30. Do that 10 times a day, and you're making $300 with zero inventory. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify make this incredibly easy. But if you're more into active income, this next hustle pays insanely well. You don't need a degree to teach, just a skill. Sites like Bizant, Prepay, and OutSchool let you tutor in almost anything: math, English, even video editing. And here's the kicker. You set your own rates. People are charging $50+ per hour, teaching high school level subjects. Do that for just 2 hours a day. That's $100 easy. All right, we've covered some killer side hustles, but here's the real question. Which one will you start today? Because knowledge without action, useless. So here's what I want you to do. In the comments, drop the side hustle that excites you the most. I'll be responding to the best ones and even helping some of you get started. And if you want a deep dive tutorial on exactly how to start one of these side hustles, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because in the next video, I'm revealing a step-by-step guide on how to make your first $1,000 online. See you there.